Hello everyone, so today we are going to look at a cash book. So what you need to know about cash book, it records cash and bank transactions. However much it's called a cash book, but it records both cash and bank transactions. And the rule here is that receipts are debited. Receipts, this is the money that you're actually receiving. You debit it, and payments are credited. That is the money you're going to pay out. It's credited, whether by bank or by cash. By bank I mean by check, by electronic funds transfer, those EFTs, that is credited. That is, if it's paid out, you actually credit it. Then we also have what we call the contra entries. Contra entries, these are double entries within the cash book. For instance, when cash is drawn from the bank for business use, are we together? The bank account will be credited, and then the cash account will be debited. Are we together? And it's normally represented by a C. So now here we're going to look at our number. They're saying enter the following transactions into the cash book for the month of February 2023 for Chibonge Limited on their respective days of February. The first one they're saying on first, this is by the way the format, you write the date details, cash bank. So this will be the debit side, and here date details, cashback, and this will be the credit side. Are we together? So the first one they're saying on 1st February, Chibonge started business with cash at bank amounting to 940. So this is actually a receipt. We are receiving money because Chibonge started money with cash at bank amounting to 940. So on the debits, that means we are debiting. So this is 1st February. Are we together? Started business with cash. So here this is our capital. We're starting business of 940 because they said cash at bank. Into they're saying he received a check from DW Qatar 150. That's still bank. So on 4th February, he received a check from DW Qatar of 11500. Together. Then they're saying made cash sales of 120,300. Still we are receiving money, it will still be debited. So these are cash sales, that is, but this does not record credit transactions, so you only record cash. So this is on 6th February, received cash sales. These are sales. So when he sold, he received money of, so we record this in the cash side. Are we together? Then they are saying the next one, he paid rent by cash of 3,500. Now this is a payment actually. So if this is a payment, we shall record it on the credit side. This is on which date? On 6th February. Made the payment of rent of, it was by cash of 3,500. Are we together? Then they are saying on the next one that on 7th, he banked 50,000 of cash held by a firm. So this is actually a contra entry. They're saying he banked 50,000 of cash. Are we together? So that means he's actually, when he's banking money, the bank account is actually gaining and the cash account is losing. So the double entry there, if in case we had this is bank and this would and this was cash, and we are saying we banked cash, that means the cash, we shall credit the cash account with bank, not so, and debit the bank account, not so, with that we have received cash. Are we together? So that is what we shall actually do. So we come here, this side, this is on which date? 15th February. So this side we shall have cash, but we say these are contra entries. Are we together? Cash of, but we are writing on the bank side of 40,000, and this side on 15th Feb we shall have bank, so it's a contra entry of 40,000. Are we together? Then they are saying on 23rd that he paid by check to S Fox 27. This is actually a payment, money is moving out. So we shall come this side, he's paying by check, so it will be by bank. This is which day? This is on 23rd February. This is S Fox. Are we together? We paid them 27700. Are we together? Then next they are telling us here that on 24th he withdrew cash from bank for business use 120. So this is also a contra entry, it's a double entry within. So when you withdraw cash, the double entry here, in case this is cash and this is bank, are we together? So you're withdrawing from the bank account, so you shall credit here cash, not so, and debit here bank. So on the debit side we shall write bank. This is on 24th February. So we shall write here bank, but on the cash side, this is 120,000. And then we come this side, it's still on 24th Feb. This time it is cash, and this is 120,000. Are we together? Then next they are telling us, but this is a contra entry, so you represent it with a C. Next they are telling us that on 27th Feb, he paid wages in cash, so it's a payment of 118,000. So paid wages, so this is 27th Feb, paid wages of in cash, so you're in cash 118,000. Are we together? So after doing this, we actually have to balance our statement. Are we together? After doing this, we have to balance our statement. So you first have to know which side is bigger on these ones. So when you see this side, when you add this plus this is 222,000. And when you add this side is lower, because when you add 118 plus 140 gives you 148,500. So it's actually lower. So we have to get a way to balance it. So we get this big side here. We get the total here. Are we together? The total here, we said it's 222,000. Are we together? Here it is 111, because when you add this 940, let me add it on my calculator. Actually get 114,500. 1.14. This is the amount that we get. So it should actually amount also this side to the same amount. Are we together? 114,500. Are we together? So the difference between this and the whole total here, so when we get 222, this minus 118, this minus 40,000 minus 3500, we shall get 60,500. In order for this to balance and to be equal to this, we do the same here. We get 114,500 minus 27700 minus 120,000. This is a 0 3 times. We see that the difference actually here is 7,874,800. So this is on 29th of February. This is the balance carried down. So this will be actually transferred to the next month as balance brought down. That is on 1st March. As here we have this as 60,500 and this is 74,800. Are we together? So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.